What's going on, guys? Was it Thursday morning? What's going good this morning? MYOS really is the only thing that is moving around this morning. Couple stocks moving around because of ERs, but other than that, MYOS gapping up this morning. Watching this one. Not a lot of volume. Only 300,000 shares traded so far. Definitely like to see more volume than that. Wouldn't mind seeing more volume. Someone talking about IDRA. IDRA going lower there. It's down 31%. Another stock I was looking at this morning was TAL. TAL gapping down. It's down 12%. Got that support there at the 2760 area. We'll see here at open if we can find some resistance. And look for that short back down to that support area there at 2760. Below that $27 area, looks like a move possibly down to $25, maybe $26.50. I don't know. Turn the volume up on your computer, maybe. Is that the issue here? How's that sound? Check, mic check, mic check, mic check. 1, 2. Then another one we're looking at this morning is MNOV. MNOV. Watching this one. It gapped up there to 865. Not a lot of volume so far. And it's kind of moving around. Not sure it's going to really have the power to go higher, but you never know with these things. No procrastination today. NEOS is a halted. Anyos halted, Rex looks like. Gapping up there to the $8 area right now and halted pre-market. Just one big green candle from 730 up there to $8 there on NEOS. Trying to figure out what the news is here. Looks like there's a proposal to buy NEOS there at $10.25 per share. Buyer stepping up there trying to buy NEOS there, so it might pop up there to the 1025 area and sit there for a little bit. Other than NEOS, whoa. Kind of a slow morning. Slow morning overall here. Not sure when NEOS is going to open back up there. So MYOS holding that 220 area right now. Looking to see this one's to get moving here at open. Looking at the daily chart here. See some resistance coming up there at the 238 area. So 238 resistance there on MYOS. It's kind of where we got stopped out at before. This 238 area was previous resistance there on the daily chart. Over 240, over that 238 area. Look like get that move up there to the 280 area. 285. So that's the next resistance up there, the 285 area. I have not traded MYOS yet. No trades yet. No trades. So MYOS. TAL coming back down here. Get up to that 20 EMA there on the 5-minute chart. Pulling back down to that support there. I was thinking about shorting this one. Didn't pull the trigger, but there it is. Heading lower now. See if he can break through that 2760 area. VTGN. VTGN. Gapping up this morning. Kind of a, not really showing me what I wanted to see there. Getting jacked up on some coffee this morning. Other than that, just not really much going on. Myos. Keeping an eye on it. NOK. Someone calling that one out. Let's check out NOK. NOK, big move down. NOK, Nokia, getting crushed here. Down there to the $5 area. Really big float. Not something that I would normally trade. So Anyos still halted there. Trying to see when they're going to open that back up here. Halt. So Anyos halted, but with no resumption time as of yet. So it might be a while. Anyos could be halted for a little bit. Twitter gapped up there 11%. I guess they had good earnings this morning. Is that what's going on there? Myos short. Was that the... There are shares of short there on Myos. So Twitter up there to the 1933 area. We're looking here at Myos. Myos. Dun, 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 dun. I like to see Myos get up there to that 240 area one more time here. Maybe at open. And I'd like to go short there at the 240 area. Could be a really fun one. Get this crash back below $2. CLG. Saw this one on the news this morning. CLG getting crushed down there from the 120 area down there to $100 now. Breaking through $100 actually. Low of day there at 99.50. So in CELG having bad earnings, getting crushed. Looks like a couple other stocks coming down this morning. ATOS dropping there. Look at ATOS just getting crushed yesterday. It opened up. It was, I guess it was halted in the morning. ATOS on pending news jumped up there to the $1.60 area, and there it is, back down there to 46 cents again. Going lower. Ouch. ATOS. Just that's how it goes. You can see this thing made a big move. What was this, on Monday or Tuesday? Wednesday. Yeah, Tuesday. So ATOS made a big move on Tuesday from the 65-cent area up there to $1.50. Pulled back. And then yesterday morning, getting halted. Jump up there to $1.60 and then just going lower. Wow. No shares of short for me at least. But that would have been a beautiful, beautiful short there on ATOS. What's up with Chipotle right now? CMG. Chipotle still going lower from the 326 area down there to 275 now. Wow. Poor Chipotle. Poor Chipotle. Look at the daily chart here on Chipotle. Just going lower. Look at this thing. Back in 2015, it was up there at $760. If you would have went short here at the 760 area, you might have been been a smart person. But look at this thing from 760 down there to 275 in a matter of 2 years. Not bad. Not a bad return there. Not a bad return at all. Bill Ackerman holding his long position there on Chipotle and just getting crushed right now. It looks like poor guy just can't get a break. Can't get a break for that guy. Got billions of dollars, but still he can't get a break. It just goes to show you that even the richest guys in the world still can lose in the stock market. It's not about how big your account size is. It's really just a lot more than that. Obviously, looking at Bill Ackerman here, just getting crushed here on Chipotle. What else are we looking at? So, sorry, it's kind of a slow morning here. Kind of just going over some stocks that we normally don't look at. ATOS getting crushed here. Looking back at MYOS. Like I said, I like to see MYOS jump up here to the 239 area. Might be greedy. And we'll see if we can get up above that 230 area there at open. Hit that 239 area. You get stuck one more time. And then go short there. I feel like that'd be a pretty good entry. Going short here at the 239 area on MYOS and then riding this baby down if it wants to crash. It's only got 300,000 shares traded, so not a lot of volume to back up this move here. It's up 45%. You should expect a little bit more volume on a stock that's up 45%. The stock's up 45%. It's only got 300,000 shares traded. Not what I like to see. I like to see a lot more, a million shares, 500,000 shares. We got 300,000 shares. It's not really not going where it wants to go, not going up. So I'll be looking to go short here. I got 1,600 shares just short there on MYOS. Still no news on Anyos. Now, Bill Ackerman loaded up his Hughes position only at 401. He said, I will only buy this stock at 401. No lower, no higher. So I'm looking to go short there on MYOS at open. Kind of if we get stuck at 230, 239 area. So you can see previous resistance there on the daily chart. MYOS getting up to that previous resistance there. 239, previous resistance. Watching that 230 area, 239 here on MYOS. Over 239. For some reason, if this thing really wants to start going, kind of watching that 270 to 90 area. So looking at what stocks are restricted today on SureTrader. Looks MYOS not restricted. That's a good one. So kind of a slow morning. Provides protein powder at semi-large football game. Oh man. That's not good. That's definitely a short. Definitely a short. Yeah, we can go ahead and just confirm that you're going to short MYOS here at open. Yeah, so MYOS, no margin there. Why not use the VWAP as indicator here on MYOS? Well, I'd rather just get short there at that resistance area. Hit that resistance area there at 239. Be a lot better entry than going short there at 213 and then just getting a small drop to the $2 area. I think we get MYOS. You can see got that support there, the $1.95 area. So we'll probably, get that pop up there. If it starts to pull back, probably hit that 195 area, get a little bit of support there. That would be the issue. Be waiting here at open to see if we get a nice pop on MYOS for a short entry. It's kind of a slow morning. So like I said, MYOS really the only thing kind of moving around right now. Got this TAL down there to that $26 area. It's already down 14%. I don't love it. MNOV moving around. IDRA going lower here. It's down 30% already on the day. And then Anyos is halted right now, so it's not looking too hot. Not a lot of stocks that I'm in love with right now. TOPS basically following DRYS. DRYS yesterday making a big move there. What was it? At the end of the day, pretty much kind of at the end of the day here. From the $4 area up there to 560. Look at this crash before open. From 560 back down there to 460. So got to be careful. If you're playing DRYS, this thing is nothing but a pump and dump. There's nothing here other than the idea that this stock is going to be pumped and it's going to be dumped. So if you're going to trade DRYS, stay vigilant. Take your profit when you got it. Don't be an idiot, because there's a good chance that DRYS is going to do this. It's going to pop up and then dump. So it is what it is. On that note, I'm actually going to be done a little bit early today because, like I said, just not that much going on. I got a couple. I'm going to go actually try to make some food real quick. Get ready here for the market open, and I will talk to you guys later on. So, Young Hero, you got to go up here into your short list. Go to short list at the top for SureTrader. You got to go into short list. Type in MYOS. It'll pop up that you have shares of short, and then it'll pop up on your montage there. Go ahead and hit that. Hit that right now. Oh man. I already looked at CLG. CLG is already getting crushed. Not really sure. There's much more to go here. It's down 15% here. Maybe it goes a little bit lower, but definitely not sure I'd want to short it right now. Sitting at this $100 support area. But maybe later. BTGN. BTGN up there to $1.42. It's got 200,000 shares traded. 200,000 shares traded here. It's up 39%. We'll keep an eye on it. But like to see a lot more volume than that. I'll talk to you guys later on.